Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your audio sound muffled on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my InShot, and for example, I'm going to make this audio sound muffled. If we want to make audio sound muffled, we can apply voice effect to our audio. You just need to go to the voice effect. You can scroll all the way to the right like this and find the voice effect, this one, and I'm going to show you which of the voice effect you can apply to make your audio muffled. You can try this one or this one, and I prefer this one guys, so I'm just going to select this one and click on the check mark. And as you can see, as you can hear that the audio has been muffled. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make your audio sound muffled on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.